Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain what is Airbnb cleanings, so let's jump right into it. Airbnb cleaning refers to the professional cleaning services arranged between bookings to keep a rental property clean, fresh, and guest-ready. It's part of what hosts are expected to provide under Airbnb's quality standards. When a guest checks out, the host or a hired cleaner needs to clean the space before the next check-in. This usually includes changing sheets, wiping down surfaces, vacuuming, mopping, cleaning bathrooms, and taking out trash. If you're a host, you can handle the cleaning yourself or hire a cleaning service. Airbnb doesn't directly provide cleaners, but you can easily find cleaners by searching Airbnb cleaning services near me or using platforms like Turno, formerly Turnoverbnb, TaskRabbit, or Care.com. These platforms connect you with cleaners who specialize in short-term rental turnovers.